I miss my ex. You don't miss your ex. You miss the feelings that you had when your ex was with you. But that means I miss her, right? No, let me ask you something. How did your ex treat you? She made me responsible for any negative emotion I had. She went out to the clubs to get attention from other guys. She cheated on me. So that's the person you miss. For some reason, yes. No, you were just emotionally addicted. What is emotional addiction? It's the same as a drug addiction. It's withdrawal, relief, withdrawal, relief. Your ex made you hurt and there was a relief. Your ex made you jealous and there was a relief. Your ex went to the club and then you guys made up. So you're saying I'm in withdrawal? Yes, and you can only get out of it if you stop trying to chase relief, you're okay with the uncomfortable feeling, and you put your focus in the direction of valued actions. But I don't feel like doing anything that I used to value. Yes, exactly. The old toxic pattern tries to pull you in and tries you to go back to the ex. It's the old belief system. You can only change belief system by showing the brain that the old belief system is not valid anymore. How do I show the brain that the old belief system is not valid anymore? By acting opposite to the old belief system. Don't act like she's important anymore. Be okay with the uncomfortable feeling and go on, live your life and do the things that you value. Okay, so I don't spend time anymore on Instagram looking at her page or talking to my friends about her. Yes, but that's not enough. Yes, you need to stop spending time outside of your head on her, but you also need to stop spending time inside of your head on her. So when I'm at the gym, I need to stop daydreaming about her. Yes, because daydreaming about her tells the brain that she's still important. You need to bring your brain back to the chest press. You're right, let's go to the gym. Okay, yeah, I mean, we're on the 8th floor of a parking lot, but we can find a gym.